What's happening? Back for round 2.
Let's hope this goes better than round 1.
Yeah. So what are we making?
We're making steaks. We're making potatoes, broccolini, green beans, and that's about it really.
Yeah. I'm going to try and do everything on the back. Where's the good old trusty?
So what are you doing now?
Cutting some potatoes.
Oh.
Any good Irishman?
What kind of potatoes? Just roasted potatoes?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Vicious.
So do you put that on the barbecue or what? How does
Yeah.
that work?
Yeah.
Some seasoning.
Some time. Just plenty of oil, otherwise you're just going to get all stuck together. Fire up the barbecue, mate.
Ooh.
Okay, these are going to take the longest. So,
We're back in business.
back in business.
1 hour later.
I think we lost one.
It's cold, guys.
It's
It is freezing.
on the inside. They're already done on them. Sweet.
Something you prepared earlier.
Yeah. Salt and pepper. Okay. Let's do it. Safety first. Oh man, look at those bad boys. Yes. Put that in there. Get laughing sticks around that.
Thanks. Mmm. Well, that's actually really good.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Mmm. I didn't think I felt like having them today, but you've really outdone yourself.
It's some steaks, with some salt and pepper, olive oil.
And they look good.
Mm.
Yeah, they're really good.
Mm.
I think they're the best ones yet.
Oh yeah.
That was good.
Made. I'm gonna do something.
Yeah, I think so. That's a great idea. So, medium rare for me, or rare even.
Honestly, it doesn't matter with these.
Oh.
I think they're going to be so good anyway that it won't matter.
Taste them.
Huh?
It'd be safe. So. And say blow your face off.
Guarantee you're going to say this is one of the best steaks you've ever had.
Smells lush. Jesus.
Bit more. I reckon it's nearly done, hey?
Yeah.
think I'll pop one of those steaks off and have a look. You want medium rare?
Yes, please. Well, rare, medium
Yeah.
rare, whatever.
Is that too rare for you?
No, nothing is too rare.
Like that?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's your one then. I might leave mine for a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, I like mine a little bit better.
Yeah, just a couple of beans. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, look at that. Mm. Ooh.
Voila!
Voila.
How rare is yours? Man, I wouldn't be able to eat that.
Why?
Too much. Taste this. And you tell me which you prefer then.
I think I prefer mine.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
And that's a wrap. That's steak on the road.
Oh my god, I'm
Cut,
choking.
cut, cut.